Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in my last video we played Broken Bones 4. Now we are going to play Jailbreak again. So guys, you know right, there was a new power plant, the revamped power plant. So yeah, so guys, today I'm going to show you a glitch which works totally fine. Okay, you don't need to do any hobby of the power plant. Okay, and this video is going to be top some glitches, okay, about some glitches. So yeah, the first glitch is our power plant glitch. I'll show you guys. Okay, wait, not the power plant glitch, because my second glitch would be something else you don't know. Okay, so for that you don't need a jetpack, but for power plant glitch actually you need a jetpack only. So that's why we'll go. So now we'll directly go to a volt bike. Okay, directly we'll go to a volt bike, guys. Yeah, so we are going there. You don't need a jetpack for this glitch. Okay, so let's go, guys, let's go. Okay, so for this I think so you should go to a good place where you can jump high to the water. Okay, you can go high to the water. I choose the Alcatraz, you know, right, the Alcatraz prison. Yeah, okay, we have reached the power plant. Okay, but it's okay, we'll just go back. I'll just go to the first person. Yeah, so let's go, guys. So for this you should go to a nice place. I think so the bridge would be good also, but I choose the Alcatraz prison. You know, right, the Alcatraz has a ship there. Yeah, so you have to go there only. I think so we just reached the end. Yeah, we have just reached the end, so I think so we should go back. Where is the Alcatraz? Okay, there is the Alcatraz prison. So we'll just go there. Yeah, so we have reached the Alcatraz prison. Now guys, what you have to do, just come out of, if a cop is behind you, guys, if a cop is behind you, then this glitch works a lot. Okay, but it takes 2 to 3 chances, okay, times, because sometimes it doesn't happen. So what you have to do, you have to go above the ship. Okay, okay, you have to go here. Okay, wait, see, I told you, right, you need some practices to go up. So yeah, so we have almost reached the up. Yeah, so what you have to do, guys, first you have to reach the up, then okay, then you just have to jump. Okay, you just have to jump, hold jump. Okay, hold jump. See, I am jumping above the water, guys. See, I'm jumping above it. Okay, now what will happen, if this glitch worked good, then you go above. Okay, see, as I'm jumping off now above the water. So now first we'll go back. So yeah, so now we'll go back to go here, and we'll see, guys, again we'll do it. Okay, so yeah, so let's do it again. I'll show you guys, okay, how to do it again. That was actually nice, but then it didn't happen nicely. I'll show you. We have to just hold this jump. You just have to, okay, I don't know what is happening, guys, why I am not able to do the glitch. Okay, so you can go away, we'll try it again. Okay, it's not happening, guys, I don't think so, but I did it. But it's okay, guys, if you do it, I think so it will happen. But if it doesn't also happen, you you can go like that, right? So this was the one glitch. This was the first glitch of ours. today I'm going to show you two glitches. So yeah, so for the other glitch, the power plant glitch, I'm going to need a jetpack for it. So yeah, so we'll go to the jetpack. So we are here. Now we have going to the jetpack. Guys, this glitch helps you a lot in the new power plant obby. Okay, it gives you a lot of money. Not lot of money, actually the power plant is now, you know, right, the power plant is new. I showed you in the video. Okay, plus I showed you that also, that it gives 7,000. No guys, the power plant is now nerfed. Okay, the power plant is now nerfed. Okay, so that's why it gives only 6,700 now. So yeah, so as fast you can go is nicely. Okay, so now let's go guys. Okay, so we are going up. I would just want to reach up. Yeah, we are here. So first take the jetpack here. Okay, I think so the power plant is open also, so we can just go very fast. Okay, so yeah, I'm in my Volt bike. Okay, that's what. So the power plant is open guys. I'll just align this. Okay, I'll just align it. Now you just have to go here, solve the pattern. Okay, now we'll go inside it. Now we are going here. Let's go guys. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to solve it. Okay, can you see that up here? Yeah, so here you will get, okay, that's the type of a glitch. So first I'll just solve it. This is very easy guys. So now I'll just go jetpacking over there, go over here and then come down. See, I just came out. See, I told you, right guys, this would be very easy for you guys. So now you just have to go and redeem your money. So that's why this glitch is very nice. Okay, this glitch is very nice. You can just go here, redeem your money very fast. Okay, so we are going. So yeah, so actually Volt bike, no, so that's why I couldn't get that much money, but it's okay. But at least I can get 5,000 at least. So guys, we have here 5,250. Okay, normally I think so we used to get 5,000 or 4,800 like that. So this is useful guys, this glitch is useful. You can go do it guys. Okay, so that's all for today's video guys. This was our top 2 glitches in jailbreak. Okay, so this first and the second glitches are useful. You can do it guys, go ahead. Okay, do it. Tell me in the comment section which glitch did you like the most, and please subscribe, like. Okay, so bye guys, have fun, enjoy, bye.